Hey everyone, today we're going to be testing two batteries. These are for the Sony ZV1F camera. And first up we have an off-brand battery. We have the Powerextra, and this is for the equivalent model of a NP-BX1. This battery is rated at 1600 mAh and it came in at 967 mAh, so that's quite a bit under its rating. The Sony, the OEM battery, it was rated at 1240 mAh and it tested under, and it was at 1073 mAh. I was testing these on the Nightcore charger. One thing to consider though, if you just look at the Sony's at 1073 and the Powerextra's at 967, when you're factoring in the price, the Powerextra is actually a much better buy. The Sony for one battery is $34, and the Powerextra, it's $16 for a set of two on Amazon right now. So yes, the Sony does have a little bit more power or capacity, but if you're looking for the most bang for your buck, you definitely want to check out these Powerextras. In addition, they also come with a charger. So appreciate you watching. Please like the video and subscribe, and look forward to more videos. Thank you. Bye.